What is a Scrivener's error in law? Imagine reading a legal document and noticing a typo that could change everything. That tiny mistake might seem harmless, but in law, it can cause big confusion. Today, we're uncovering what a Scrivener's error is and how it can turn legal interpretations upside down. A Scrivener's error in law is a simple clerical mistake made when writing or copying legal papers. It could be a misspelled word, a wrong number, or an incorrect date. These errors are unintentional and don't reflect what the parties really meant. For example, if a contract says $1,000, but the typo says 1,000 years, that's a Scrivener's error. It's a slip-up, not a deliberate change. This kind of mistake is different from errors in legal reasoning or how a judge interprets laws. Courts recognize that clerical errors happen and can fix them without altering the main agreement or judgment. If the mistake is clear and supported by evidence, courts can correct it. For instance, if a contract states a payment date as January 32nd, the court can fix it to January 31st. But if fixing the mistake changes who owns property or affects legal rights, then everyone involved must agree to the correction. These errors can lead to some pretty funny or strange legal situations. Imagine a law that says you can be fined 1,000 years instead of $1,000. That's a huge difference and could cause a lot of confusion until someone notices and corrects it. Sometimes, a small typo in a law or contract can make a rule seem absurd or harsh. In the world of state laws across America, Scrivener's errors show how tiny mistakes can cause big misunderstandings. A law meant to regulate something minor might accidentally include a typo that results in a very harsh punishment. Or, an ambiguous law might be interpreted literally, leading to bizarre enforcement. That's where the humor and confusion come in. Courts can fix these errors when the mistake is obvious. They do this to avoid rewriting laws or contracts completely. But they are careful not to overstep, only correcting what's clearly wrong. There have been cases where a Scrivener's error almost caused legal chaos until someone caught the mistake and set it right. So, a Scrivener's error is a clerical slip-up in legal documents or laws that courts can correct. This prevents strange or unfair results from literal but mistaken texts. It's a simple fix that keeps the law fair and understandable, even when tiny typos threaten to cause big legal messes.